vested with the discretion whether to grant or to refuse you bail, despite whether the state opposes or does not oppose. However, the court has to exercise their discretion.
The public prosecutor, Ms. Twani, the defense counsel, Mr. Breya, the interpreter, the stenographer, is Ms. Weinberg.
I put an opposing affidavit which is not correct at all, and he should have been the wiser because he knows the affidavits and statements that he's received already, and they're contrary to what he put in his affidavit. But because it's sub judice, we're going to have to wait for the evidence to come forward and then the court will decide. But there is overwhelming evidence from a number of people to the effect that the deceased unfortunately was the perpetrator of all the sins that transpired, and it was in such a situation of involuntary behavior that anything could have happened, and the biggest fear was that 10 people could have been shot dead in that bar, because that was the state of mind of the deceased when he was shot. And the accused is an ex-policeman. He has had a security company for 20 years. He knows what he's doing, and he took action which he thought was the best in the circumstances. And it's a tragedy in any occasion for anyone to lose his life. Perhaps he could have been shot in his leg or so that he wasn't able to fire shots, but you can't take a chance in those circumstances, and anything tragic could have transpired. So he had no alternative but to take the action that he did.